Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we will have Bitcoin and some other altcoins that I think that they are going to win the race and they are going to go higher after. Nice to meet you all. I'm sorry that I'm being absent all these months, but really I wanted to take a break after this huge devastating year that I had before. I never had so much anxiety in my life, so I had to take a step back. Right now, we need to see what is Bitcoin going to do, because eventually it hasn't formed any bearish movement yet. Bitcoin, right here, you can see the bullish triangle, the ascending triangle that we had all the way up, going and surpassing the previous all-time high. Now we are going a little bit sideways, finding some resistance around the 71 to 72,000 Tether USD, and we want to check if we can make it. I think that the bullish environment is there. We've seen Bitcoin going up. We are in a halving period. The altcoins are a little bit more bearish than I would expect. Most of them, though, not all of them. For example, Ethereum is doing pretty fantastic, right? It follows the BTC movement very tightly. Ethereum has proved itself since 2016, so it's going to go even higher probably. And you can see that 71, 72,000 Tether USD. Right now we are going sideways. Many people talk about a possible V-shaped pattern right here, where we can see the sideways movement. Okay, here is the sideways movement. Here is the bottom line, all right, at the 58,000 Tether USD, and then sideways movement until we go upward. So this is kind of like a W shape, okay? So eventually, what I would like to do, sorry for that, what I would like to do right here, it is that I want to tell you that Bitcoin is very likely to go and hit, once it breaks this resistance level that we are in right now, around 71, 72, then I think that 100,000 Tether USD is the next price target for Bitcoin. 80,000, then 100,000 will be the case for Bitcoin. 80,000 a little bit because it is a resistance level that some people might cash out from the futures, but afterwards we are going just to go higher and higher again. Okay, so this is it for Bitcoin. The worst case scenario, as I talked about, for me right now, it is that Bitcoin goes down to the 50,000 Tether USD, 51 to 50, to meet the 50-day exponential moving average in the weekly scale. And I think that this could happen. However, you do not have to worry about something. Now, going back to Bitcoin Cash, you can see that on Bitcoin Cash, this is a coin that I trusted since we were here, right? And eventually I told, I thought that this would be a good investing opportunity. Told to myself that, yeah, this is good, go in. But we had another huge correction right here. But if someone waited all this time, then he would be in profits. That's why in crypto market, if you invest in Bitcoins, you have to think twice before you sell. If you panic and sell, then it's all bad. And if you have futures, if you play with futures, then you will panic sell most likely most of the times, right? Because with the futures, you might gain some more, but you also lose very quickly, right? So if you made, for example, let's say that you made 100% profits, you could lose them very easily with futures. I'm telling you, stop playing futures. Only spot trading. The futures, margins, and all this stuff are for the trading platforms to gain. You do not gain except you're lucky and you won one time, but stop it right there. Then do spots. Okay, so right here you can see that Bitcoin Cash for me can eventually go all the way up to the 900 USDT. All right, so I'm going to put a price label right here. So around 880 to 900, around there, this is going to be the first huge resistance level. Right now we found some resistance because it was the resistance back here. Okay, when we had the 15th November 2021, all right, it was a resistance level back on 8th February 2021. So yeah, you can see that sometimes passed, and Bitcoin Cash, that's why it failed right there. But eventually, I do not think that Bitcoin Cash will have any problem at all to go upwards. And the other coin, and I will close here my video for today. For now, I think that Ethereum is an absolute winner. The price targets and the price range that it has, it follows Bitcoin pretty closely. Ethereum is going to change the world. It has already changed the world, and it is going to go even higher, probably at 7,000 Tether USD. So check it out as well. So this is for me, these are the next steps that you need to do. I would personally wait a little bit right now to see what Bitcoin is going to do, because eventually if it follows the worst case scenario going at 50,000 Tether USD, then altcoins will have eventually a very crashing period. Okay, so if Bitcoin goes to 50,000, you can see that altcoins are most vulnerable to that damage that Bitcoin might does, and then they will eventually fall down. So I would say wait just a little bit. I think that though the bullish environment is all there for the crypto market to continue to evolve, to continue to run this bull cycle, and some people are joining, more and more people are joining in already. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and stay tuned for more. Bye.